Hello everyone, I am Suraj from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'll be covering the topic called CloudBurst Toolkit for Market-Oriented Cloud Computing, which comes under the subject cloud computing. So the topics that are to be covered in this presentation are: first we'll be seeing the introduction to cloud computing, then we'll be seeing the market-oriented cloud computing, then afterwards we'll come to the CloudBurst Toolkit components, and after that we'll be seeing utility computing and service models. Then we'll be coming to the economic potential of cloud computing. Then after, at last, we'll see emerging trends and the future potential of the cloud computing. Coming to the introduction, cloud computing has evolved as a 21st century vision of delivering IT services similarly to utilities like electricity and water. It enables users to access services like infrastructure, platforms, and software through pay-as-you-go model. The document highlights the origin of the concept, tracking it back to apparent and the vision of computing as a utility. This concept allows organizations to focus on innovation rather than managing complex IT infrastructure, significantly reducing the operational costs. Next, coming to the market-oriented cloud computing. So this paper introduces the CloudBurst toolkit designed for market-oriented cloud computing. It emphasizes dynamic, market-driven resource management, where service providers and consumers operate based on demand and computational risks. This approach facilitates service level agreement, that is SLA, enforcement, and ensures effective resource allocation in cloud environments. The paper also discusses several strategic components like internetworking clouds and third-party cloud brokers. Next, the CloudBurst Toolkit components. So the CloudBurst Toolkit components includes various elements such as Aneka, CloudSIM, energy efficient resource allocation mechanisms, where the Aneka is a platform as a service that allows developers to create and deploy cloud applications on public or private clouds. Next is the CloudSIM. So basically it is a simulator that models cloud environments for performance studies. Next is energy efficient resource allocation mechanisms. This supporting green computing initiatives. These components aid in managing elastic applications, content delivery, and they this also simulation across federated cloud uh, environments. Next is the technical approaches in big data analytics. So cloud computing delivers services across three layers. First is the infrastructure as a service, that is IaaS. Hardware resources are offered as a service here. Next is the platform as a service, that is PaaS. So this is platforms to develop and deploy applications. Next is the software as a services, SaaS. This is the ready-to-use software delivered online. This model reduces the need for heavy investment in IT infrastructure, which provides flexibility and also the scalability to business and individuals alike. Next, we'll be seeing the economic potential of cloud computing. This paper cites the significant business potential of cloud computing, referencing industry reports that predict a sustainable rise in cloud spending from rupees $16 billion in 2008 to $42 billion by 2012. Cloud computing acts as a catalyst for various markets by bringing together buyers and sellers, making it a lucrative area for businesses, especially in the field like data centers and software services. So, coming to the emerging trends and future potential. So, cloud computing is recognized as one of the top IT trends. Large tech companies such as Amazon, Google, IBM, and Microsoft are investing heavily in cloud infrastructure to host applications like social networks and business portals. It is predicted that cloud computing will soon become mainstream, transforming how IT services are delivered. This section also references the Gartner's IT hype cycle, which places cloud computing at the peak of expectations, suggesting its growth, adoption, and also the influence. Now let's see some of the future directions and also the recommendations. The emerging technologies like AI, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the IoT, that is Internet of Things, promise to revolutionize big data analytics in epidemic forecasting. AI's advanced algorithms can analyze vast dataset in real time, improving the accuracy of predictions. Blockchain technology addresses data security and privacy concerns by providing decentralized and immutable records. The convergence of AI and blockchain will enhance predictive modeling capabilities and facilitate secure data sharing. Future trends will likely focus on expanding adaptive and forward thinking policy frameworks that are basically needed to keep pace with the technology's advancements. So, the recommendations include creating regularity sandboxes for testing new technologies and promoting open data sources that are recognized international collaboration, that is which is really essential for integrating health data across the various countries and enhancing the global health security. So thank you everyone. I hope you understood all the topics that I've covered in this cloud computing presentation, and I hope you understood all the concepts that I've covered in this. So thank you very much.